up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl, Wear Secrets, coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, please. And without further ado, let's get into the video. And in today's video, I figured I would do something a little different. I came across a few hidden gems, especially if you're a beginner nail tech. It's beginner nail tech friendly. And it's a few books or a few reference books that will help you as far as perfecting your craft when it comes to nail designs, practicing your lining or your lines and stuff like that, and your fine artwork. And I figured I could just share a few with you, and they will definitely be linked down below. And the first book is The Little Black Nail Book. This is such a good investment, so definitely look into this. In this book, it shows you step by step different type of ways to design, also give you, different type of lengths, nail shapes, and just basic knowledge. But it's also a gem because me personally, I'm more of a visual and hands-on learner. Hands-on learner, and when I see stuff visually and when it's breaking down and step by step, it's easy for me to, follow. So if you're kind of like me, this is something that you would definitely want to go towards, so invest in this. The next books are kind of like a part 1 and a part 2. And lately I've been trying to perfect my craft on flowers and, water marble and stuff like that. And these two are awesome. Another step-by-step gem that helps you as far as everything. And when I look through these books, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I've been missing this like forever. Like, where have you been all my life? So definitely check out the links below, and you will not be sorry. So that's those two. And the next one is basically just your canvas. Nothing but blank nails where you can, decorate and come up with different designs as far as something that you may want to try out next. Or you may want to draw it out to see if it, is up to par of how you think it would look before you put it on your nails or practice. So this is perfect. And with these, it's up to you if you want to try to use like polish or stuff like that. Me personally, I invested in like gel pens and also like color pencils. So definitely hit up your Dollar Tree and use these. Like, I'm taking it back old school to the gel pens, and they come in different type of bright colors, and it will just help you out. And this next one is kind of like the same one to this one, and it's just more practice because practice makes perfect, and it gets you more comfortable with designing nails and freestyling. Because I know sometimes I get tripped up when I want to freestyle, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, what should I do? I don't know. And then I'm always polishing my nails, and I'm taking the polish off because I don't like it, and I'll end up changing my polish like 5 times before I come out with the final product. So these are definitely a few things you may want to invest in if you're trying to perfect your craft, if you're a beginner, or even if you're, if you've been in the game for a while and you just want to brush up on a few of your skills. It's definitely a perfect investment. The prices vary because I want to say I purchased the little black nail book around Christmas, but it's a good investment if you're into like practicing and doing the nail art and stuff like that, and get into these guys, something a little different, a little new. But yeah, so feel free to comment, reach out to me if you have some hidden gems that you would like to share with everyone as far as any type of visual arts or any type of books, reference books, or anything like that. And I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.